Before starting the work to retrofit the SPACOM relay with REX610, ensure that all electrical safety procedures have been done and that you follow all safety-related instructions. Begin by inspecting the relay's wiring for any discrepancies. Then remove the orange-colored connector. Loosen the existing mounting screws of the SPACOM relay to insert the retrofit adapter set. The retrofit adapter set is marked correspondingly to the connectors on the SPACOM relay. This enables you to remove the secondary wires from the existing SPACOM relay and simply connect them to the corresponding terminal number of the retrofit adapter set. Once the rewiring is done, you can remove the retrofit adapter set. Continue to remove the SPACOM relay from the panel door. There is no need for panel modifications, as the cutout size is the same for this SPACOM relay and the REX610. Install the retrofit adapter set using the mounting accessories provided with the REX610 relay. Continue by attaching the orange-colored connector to the retrofit adapter set and the other two connectors directly to the REX610 relay. The wiring of the instrument transformers, CTs and VTs, is also pre-wired and marked for easy connection to the corresponding terminal number. The retrofit is fast and easy to do, as you don't need to refer to manuals or change existing schematic drawings. You are now ready to energize the relay, check relevant parameters, and do further commissioning checks.